Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Lashes online channel with Victoria. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most popular lash extension styles, the eyeliner effect. If you've dreamed of creating a magnetic look for your clients, stay with me, and I'll reveal all the secrets to achieving this effect. Let's get started. I've received a lot of feedback from my viewers, and I decided to give you a gift, a free guide on lash glue. I've compiled the most essential tips and advice for working with lash glue. To get the guide for free, simply follow my Instagram page and comment "guide" on the latest post, and I'll send it to you. Let's take a look at the lashes before we start. You can see that on the outer part of the eye, the lashes are pointing downward, so I'll be adding a few shorter lashes on the outer corners to avoid weighing down the look. The maximum length for this extension will be 13 mm, and I'll start with a length of 5 mm on the inner corner. Check out how I've distributed the lengths. Since the client's lashes are thick, I chose a thickness of 0.07 mm. The lashes are black with AB curl. I'll be doing the work in 2D volume. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, it really helps with the promotion. Before starting the extension, it's crucial to prepare the natural lashes thoroughly. I use a cleanser to remove any makeup or oil residue. This is a key step to ensure your lashes last longer and look perfect. In future episodes, I'll show you different variations of the eyeliner effect, but today I'm demonstrating one of the simplest methods. The essence of this effect is to apply very short lashes over most of the eye and only have a sharp transition from 8 mm in the central part to 13 mm on the outer corner. This transition creates a strong emphasis on the outer part of the eye, making the lashes look like a drawn eyeliner. To make the outer part even more pronounced, I'll be applying 3 beams of the maximum length, which in this case is 13 millimeters. These 3 beams should be placed as close to each other as possible. Watch how this looks during the application process. The rest of the extension will be done in 2D volume. By the way, I have an excellent video on how I create volume fans. I'm attaching the link for you if you haven't seen it yet. It's very detailed on how I make the fans. I also want to mention that the eyeliner effect may not suit everyone. If a client has an eye shape where the outer corner is lower than the inner corner, making the eyes appear sad, this effect might not be suitable. The eyeliner effect can make the eyes look even heavier and sadder. Keep this in mind when choosing the effect. After completing the process, it's always important to check for stickies. This ensures comfort and that your lashes look flawless. All the lashes should be neatly separated. The eyeliner effect is a great option for those who want to visually correct the eye shape. It's especially suitable for clients with round or almond-shaped eyes as it helps elongate and enhance the mysterious look of the eyes. Plus, it's perfect for those who want to minimize makeup use since the eyes will already look like they have the perfect eyeliner. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more lash extension secrets, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.